CurveBasher 1.1 got a new button here in the CurveBasher panel, and if we click on it, it will take us directly to the blend file where all of our preset kit bash is stored. So we can modify this or create our own. If you want a little bit more insight into how to create your own presets, there's a YouTube link right here, and that will go into more depth on how to do that. So another little update is in terms of drawing curves on surfaces, which I really enjoy. Anyway, in version 1.0, or the release, we had it to add a curve, delete the curve points, enable the draw tool, change some settings, and that was a little bit tedious for me. So in 1.1, we now have a new option here in the curve panel, draw a curve, and if we click on it, we can just start drawing immediately. So I find this to be way more convenient. And you'll also remember, or I mean, I guess you will if you saw the video, but if you didn't, CurveBasher had issues with curves like this. So 3 separate splines in one single curve object, and it didn't used to work, but it does now because we can just run it and it will automatically separate them into their own objects. So it will work just fine now, hopefully, as far as I can tell. And of course, we also got a couple of bug fixes, things that you probably won't notice, but actually are important. And oh yeah, I forgot to turn off debug mode for version 1.0. So there's a lot of junk here in the console while you were using CurveBasher, but we disabled that, so your console should be clean. And yeah, they're very minor updates, but I think they were important enough to make a video on, just so people know that they exist. And of course, there's much greater things to come, but those we'll leave for a future update.